Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast, where we help you improve your English through clear explanations, natural conversations, and easy speaking practice that you can use in your daily life.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy that you are here with us today, because in this lesson, we are going to learn how to describe your partner in English using useful adjectives and meaningful sentences that are simple and easy to understand.
Yes, this is a very useful topic because people often talk about someone important in their life, such as their husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, or life partner.
In today's lesson, we will practice how to describe appearance, personality, habits, and feelings using long and natural sentences so you can speak more confidently in conversations.
We will speak slowly, repeat important phrases, and explain useful vocabulary step by step. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can continue learning English with us every week. All right, let's begin today's lesson on describing your partner in English. Let's start by learning how to introduce your partner in a simple and natural way. You can begin with a sentence like, my partner is, or my husband or my wife is.
For example, you can say, my partner is a kind and supportive person who always helps me when I have problems. Another example is, my wife is very friendly and patient, and she always makes me feel comfortable and happy.
Let's practice together. My partner is very caring and understanding. My boyfriend is friendly and easy to talk to. My girlfriend is calm, polite, and very supportive. Great job! These sentences are simple but meaningful. Now let's learn some useful adjectives for describing personality. Some common adjectives are kind, caring, patient, funny, honest, calm, hardworking, confident, and supportive. For example, you can say, my partner is very patient because they always listen carefully and try to understand my feelings. Or, my husband is hardworking and responsible, and he always does his best at work. Let's practice. My partner is funny and always makes me laugh. She is very calm and helps me feel relaxed. He is honest and trustworthy, which makes me feel safe. Now let's make longer sentences. My partner is a very kind person who always helps others when they need support. She is patient and understanding, even when life becomes stressful and difficult.
Very good. Longer sentences make your speaking sound more natural.
Now let's talk about appearance, which means how someone looks. You can describe height, hair, smile, clothing, and general style. For example, you can say, my partner is tall, has short dark hair, and usually wears simple and comfortable clothes.
Or she has long brown hair, a warm smile, and a very elegant style.
Let's practice. He is tall and looks very confident. She has beautiful hair and a friendly smile. My partner usually dresses in a simple but stylish way. Now, let's create longer sentences. My girlfriend has long black hair and a bright smile that makes people feel comfortable around her. My husband is tall and strong, and he usually wears casual clothes that make him look relaxed. Great job! You are learning how to describe people clearly and naturally. Now, let's talk about daily habits and the relationship itself, because this helps you speak in a more personal and meaningful way. For example, you can say, my partner always checks on me during the day and asks how I am feeling. Or, we enjoy spending time together because we can talk openly and support each other. Let's practice. We like to cook dinner together in the evening. My partner always encourages me when I feel stressed. We enjoy watching movies and talking about our future plans. Now, let's use longer sentences. My partner is very supportive because they always encourage me to continue learning and improving myself. We spend a lot of time together, and I feel comfortable because we understand each other well.
Excellent work! These are natural and meaningful relationship sentences.
Emily, can you describe your partner?
Yes. My partner is a very kind and supportive person who always listens carefully when I talk about my problems, and that makes me feel comfortable and understood.
That sounds wonderful. What does your partner look like?
My partner is of medium height, has short dark hair, and usually wears simple and comfortable clothes, which gives a calm and relaxed impression.
What do you enjoy doing together?
We enjoy spending quiet time together, watching movies, drinking coffee, and talking about our goals and future plans.
That sounds like a healthy and happy relationship. Good job.
Now it is your turn to practice speaking. Please answer these questions with full sentences. How would you describe your partner's personality? What does your partner look like? What activities do you enjoy together? Why is your partner important to you?
Take your time, speak slowly, and try to use long and meaningful sentences. Repeat after us. My partner is. He, she is very. He, she always. We enjoy. I feel happy because.
Practice these phrases every day to improve your speaking confidence. Today, we learned how to describe your partner in English using useful adjectives and natural sentences. You practiced how to describe personality, appearance, habits, and feelings in a clear and meaningful way.
Remember, speaking English becomes easier when you talk about real people and real experiences.
You are doing a wonderful job, and every day of practice helps you improve.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English speaking lessons.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Goodbye, everyone, and keep practicing English every day. Bye!